Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
木
First, let's learn the pronunciation of this Chinese character.
木 mo 物 木 木 木 头 木 头 桌 子 是 木 头 做的 桌子是木头做的 树 木 树 木 公园里有很多树木。公园里有很多树木。木材，木材，木材被用来建造房子。木材被用来建造房子。
Now, follow me to write this character. This character should be written in the exact center. Do not slant it. The original meaning of today's character is trees and forests. Ancient people believed that trees take root in the earth and grow upward with endless vitality. In traditional Chinese culture, it represents vitality, growth, spring, gentleness, and life force. These two strokes are very crucial, and they need to be written long enough. That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.